Hey everybody, Miranda Sullivan here. So, I wanted to talk about constant complaining today. So let me give you a few tips. But one of the things I want you to understand is that when you're constantly complaining, not only are you creating a big canal that makes it easy to go into, that's one thing to understand. The other thing is what you're putting out is most likely what you're going to get back if you keep focusing on it. And then the second thing is you can change it. You can change to what it is that you're thinking and feeling and putting effort into, right? So one of the things that you could do is to write down 50 things that you want to experience in your life. Now, I started doing this a while back and I didn't keep up with it, but now I understand the new neural pathways the way that I do now. Because if you read it every day, you feel about it every day, you set intentions with it, you're going to be closer to experiencing, right? You're creating new neural pathways around it. And number two is an example. I wanted to heal chronic illness, but I kept saying to myself, I don't know. And that was blocking my good from me. So when I started thinking, creating a new neural pathway, even though it's small, that's why it feels different. That's why you have to set the intention to keep doing it, get better, bigger and bigger. When I started thinking, oh, there's a possibility for a healing path for me that could show itself. There is a possibility. There's a way that could show itself. And as soon as I started thinking that, guess what came in? A pathway to healing. So anyhow, now the third one is being grateful. I was watching a video clip the other day from the Lewis Howes show, and this kid he was interviewing, it was so cute, so sweet, good lesson. He was living in this apartment that his parents had invested in for him, and he was complaining about it. He was saying it was such a crap hole and this and that. And his mom was like, you don't even appreciate what it is that we've gotten for you, that you have here. And it made him think and start to rewire himself and start to do things differently. So he would get up every day, because action has to do with it too, and he would mop his floors and be grateful for the place that he was already in. And that's so important. I wasn't even doing that as much as I needed to, but I did a session and it helped me focus differently. It really, truly does help. But anyhow, so do it like your life depends on it, because it does. When you create new neural pathways, it creates a new life, right? So what it is that you focus on is what you're going to create and what you believe in your subconscious. So create new neural pathways, think and feel and take action to things that make you feel good. And if you need any other tips, if you got any questions, put it in the comment, and I'm happy to answer them for you. So keep following, like and subscribe. I have intensive coming up. I have master classes and so forth if you decide you want to join in them. But stay in tune and love yourself.